my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So guys, today we are unboxing my Izzy and Liv brown sugar box for February 2023. So guys, this is a monthly subscription box. This is more like a lifestyle box. This is a box created for women of color, and it normally has something in it every month fun, and they give you a theme every month for what's in your box. The box is $42 a month plus $7.95 for shipping and handling, and if you live in a state with taxes, you can just add that on to the price as well. But guys, we're going to get right into this box. If you're interested in checking out this box, you can go to izzyandliv website.com, and you can look at the subscription there. This subscription does allow you to skip, which is one of my favorite things. So if there's a period of time you're going to be away, or you don't want to receive boxes for a while, you got other things going on in your life, you can skip whatever month you want. And if you want to skip 3 months and straight, you can do that as well. And they give you the flexibility on their subscription to do so. So I think that is an awesome thing. So every month there is a theme. So let's go ahead and get into this box here. So let's see what we got going on. All right. So guys, this is our card here. And on the back there is a QR so that we can just scan and pull it up on our phone or tablet and see what's actually in our box. The theme is called Spa Days Edition. So it has a few things on here, and they're talking about Endless Love playlist is on here. Is the soft life as easy as it looks? So that'll be one of the articles in here, as well as Love Yourself. For real this time, and keep that glow through the cold. So this one is about self-care this month. So we're going to get right in here and check out what's in our box. So, all right guys, so I am back. This is our magazine, and I'm just kind of showing you what's in here. So this month's box is valued at $154. The first 2 pages, when you open up the magazine on electronically, you'll see information about the products you could have received, what other options there were, what colors they came in. We also have, like I said, there's information articles that's always in here. About self-care, another article about the soft life. Loving yourself, another article's there. We also have our beauties of the month. So if you would like to sign up for the subscription, take a picture with your shirt, you can go ahead and submit it, and you may be chosen to be one of the beauties of the month. And they also have a playlist. I think I went by that. Yeah. So we have our playlist here, and there's questions that they answer about the subscription if you have any. But guys, without further delay, let's get into this thing. So we'll start off with the first item in our box. Why don't we do that? All right. And let me take that out the way. So the first thing I'm going to pull out, we have the Self-Care Glow. We have a 4-pack of Luxe facial mask set. And the 4-pack, let me see if there's any different pictures. There probably isn't. They probably all look the same, I'm assuming. But let me just take them out here to show you guys what we're getting. So these are the 4 facial masks that you're getting in here, and they got little different pictures on each one, guys. And I love that kind of stuff about Izzy and Liv. They do little cool stuff like that. So I feel like everyone's included when they have all these little different hairstyles and everything. It's pretty cool. And it looks like you only got one option for that. And the Glow facial mask set, what did they value this one at? This is valued at $25 for the Glow facial mask set. So it says, prepare to hear your girl. You're glowing from everyone around you, sis. This set includes a hydrating and soothing aloe facial mask, a collagen restoration facial mask, a charcoal defier facial mask, and a shea butter moisturizing facial mask. So we have 4 in this pack here, valued at $25. There was no other options, just what they have here. So let's go to our next item. So we also got Izzy and Liv bubble bath gel in here, and let's see what kind we got. We got Cool Citrus is the one that I have here. And let me open it up. So this is a pretty nice size one too. This is 13.5 fluid ounces that we have here. And let's check our thing here and see what other options. Why is it's 4 but only 2 are showing? It says you could receive 1 of 4, guys. So this is what you could have received. It says make a bath or shower time and experience as you lather up. This does have a value of $32. They said 1 of 4, but they're only showing 2 pictures, so I don't know if we were supposed to have 2 other options that may have not have happened. But the scents were supposed to be Luscious Coconut, Cool Citrus is the one I got, Sweet Vanilla, or Gorgeous Grapefruit. So that is what we received for that one. So I'm going to go to our next item out our box. So this is what we have right here, guys. And let me pull that one up for you. It says it's the Hold It Down Sis Cadoodle. So let me pop this open. And let's see. It looks like a toiletry case. Yes, that's what it is. That's what it looks like to me. Let me kind of puff this out a bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. Hold on. Here we go. So this is what I have here. And it's like a little toiletry case. So this is valued at $26, and it says meet your newest asset that's cute and versatile with pop-in prints. Keep your makeup and beauty products organized at home or on the go. You get to receive 1 of 4 styles. So the styles that they have here, let me show you. These are the 4 styles that you could have received, and they are calling them Culture Queens, Abstract Afro, which I think this is what this one is. There's one called She's Zen, and there's also Brown Skin. So collectively, that's what they all look like together. So that is one of the options you could have received. So we're going on to our next product, gang. See what we got. Oh, and it's our shirt of the month. This box does come with a shirt of the month. So this is our shirt of the month. So let's pop her open and see what we got. And a t-shirt is valued at $35, guys. I'm doing a horrible job of taking this out of the bag. Hold on. So, guys, this is our tee. I think this is so cool with the lady on the front. I'm really liking that. I'm vibing that. So, this is valued at $35. And the options you could have received were 1 of 2. So, these are the 2 options here that you could have received. And it says all the Phil's Ringer t-shirt. Get into a classic Ringer tee, giving major nostalgic vibes. Say hello to an elevated and stylish tee featuring illustrations of fierce black women. You'll receive 1 or 2. You either got the Fly Afro Diva or the Moonlight Goddess. So I have the Moonlight Goddess. I really like this tee. This is really, really cute. I do size large, guys, so I can have a little extra room. I don't like things too tight on me. So that's the one that I have here. I think this is really cute. So, guys, we have one more item in here. So let me show that to you. And this is our item here, and it says we have a satin kimono, and you could have got 1 of 4, and it's valued at $45. So let me take it out of the plastic here so you guys can really see it. This is pretty. Look at that. This color is really nice. Let me take some of this stuff off, and I have things flying at the same time. So this is our kimono here. This is really cute. Look at like the print and stuff on the back. Really nice. The woman with her head wrapped, and it's really colorful. There's like a crown and everything on here. You see the satin detail around the lining here of the opening. Very nice. Very pretty, and it's not that long. It's pretty short, guys. Let me show you what the other options. I would say this comes to about mid-thigh. And there were 1 of 4, they said. Let's kind of bring it in. So these are the 4 options that we could have received. And the colors were Rockin' Her Afro like it's golden, Soul Food Queen, Radiance Queen, which is the one I have, and Melanin Melanin Art Beauty. So that is valued at $45. It doesn't have a belt though. That's what I was looking to see if there was a belt. So I mean, you can just wear this casually in the house, or you can go out with this because it's not that long, especially with the spring, and kind of pair it with some jeans and a tee, and this would be like a cool little vibe. Really cute. And it does have elastic around the ends of the cuff here, I'm seeing. So that's going to give you a little bit room to kind of pull it up, and it's not going to come all the way down. Looks like it's 3/4 left based on what I'm seeing on here, and I think that'll be a cool vibe. And I mean, you can also wear this in the summer, like if you got your shorts on and a tank underneath. I think that'll be cute too. So guys, that's everything in my box. I've hit everything. So in review, let's go through everything. So we have our kimono here, which is cute. I like that. I love the colors. Very colorful. Love that. And we also have our bubble bath gel here. We have our mask. We have our t-shirt, which is cute. We also have a toiletry bag. And again, our theme was Spa Days edition. Now, the only thing I would say probably wasn't the Spa Day vibes was probably this toiletry bag. I didn't really feel like this was the Spa Day vibes, but it's cute, but I didn't feel like it was the Spa Day vibes. So that's the only thing I felt kind of was out of place. You guys let me know if what you thought was the favorite thing out of this box, and what you thought. Like, do you guys think this was out of place like me, like it didn't go with the spa theme? I didn't think it went with the spa theme, but that's just me. So guys, that is my box in review. I hope you enjoyed today's video. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed, please feel free to do so, or consider to do so. It would be a great help to me on my channel here as I'm trying to grow my channel. And if you enjoy this kind of content, you will be able to watch it on a regular basis from me. I do try to post weekly, but you know, life happens. Sometimes I don't get to it, but I will come back and post whatever I receive for the month on this channel. So guys, until my next video, I will see you then. If you enjoyed today's content, hit me up in the comment section below and let me know if you enjoyed this box and what your favorite items were out of this box. And if you get this box, what colors did you get for some of the items in here? But guys, until my next video, I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed and bye.